I decided to order this dishwasher from Amazon, and as you can see, the packaging isn't secure and tight. So after taking the plastic bit off, it was simply lift up this covering. It wasn't taped on with any sellotape. And then the other strange thing is it did have this really hard board, and even with that on, when I finally unwrap it, if you look on the right hand corner, which when I turn it in a second you will see, here on the right corner it has got a split, and like it hasn't been used before or something, and for some reason there is a bit of a stain and water in there. It doesn't come with a second pipe.